Well, hello, Charlotte friends. Happy Thursday. 3 weekends in a row with snow. What can I say? It hasn't snowed in years. Here we go again. So I thought I'd just show you a couple graphics. It's looking quite likely that we're going to see some snow across the Charlotte area starting tomorrow night into Saturday morning. So just a couple pieces of data just to walk you all through what's going to happen. So this is during the day today. Nothing is going to happen. It's beautiful outside. It's sunny. It's cold out for sure, but sunny, clear skies. You start to see in the overnight hours tonight into tomorrow morning early this band of snow developing up across West Virginia and parts of Kentucky. That's indicative of a system that's moving in from the west. And as it moves eastward, it will strengthen, and it's going to create a giant coastal low over here off the ocean, off the Outer Banks. And it's going to move up the east coast. And it's going to provide tons of snow for some of the New England states. For us, though, we're on the back side of it. So we're on the colder side, and some moisture is going to get thrown our way. And it looks like it's going to touch off some rain at first. So this is around 6 p.m. tomorrow afternoon or early evening. Some light rain starts to spread out. But as this storm off the coast is moving northward, it's going to pull in much colder air behind it. And that rain should quickly change to snow. By around this time, 9 p.m., rain's going to be changing to snow all across the Charlotte area. So if you look at the surface temperature, we'll still be around like 39 or 40 degrees. But by, you see, 10 o'clock, the rain is changing to snow, and by 11 o'clock, it's all snow here. And then it snows from 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 a.m., so maybe 5 or 6 hours of some snow. And by the time this is over, around 6 a.m., if you look at the temperature, we've fallen to like 20 degrees. So initially it's going to be rain, then the temperature is going to plunge very quickly through the 20s. So any snow we get is going to be an icy mess Friday night into Saturday morning. So if you have plans to be out and about late Friday after 11 p.m. or very early on Saturday morning, just be very careful. The roads could be really, really messy. This shows you at 1 a.m. Friday night into Saturday morning, the different models. So this is the Euro model. You see it shows snow. The GFS shows snow. The HER model shows snow. The NAM shows snow. The NAM 3 kilometer shows snow. So they all show snow. So the models now are in pretty good agreement about this band of snow setting up. And how much snow is not going to be huge amounts. It's going to be similar to, I think, the last storm that we saw, where we could see a couple of inches. So if you go across here, if I change this, the time for you all. So this is the total snow. So the European model shows us getting about 2 inches of snow. The GFS is about 2 inches of snow. The HER's a little wetter with like 3 inches of snow. The NAM shows about 2 inches of snow. So you can see 1, 2, maybe up to 3 inches of snow could fall depending on where these bands set up. And this gives you kind of an idea of the ranges. So right here is 1 inch of snow, and these are a bunch of different what we call ensembles or different models that are run. And you can see there's maybe like 6 or 7 of them that show about an inch of snow or less, but then there's just an equal number of them that show an inch of snow or more. So if I were a betting person, I would say the whole area is going to see probably 1 to 2 inches of snow. But the key here is the temperature, again, is going to drop quickly as we move through the overnight hours, and any snow that falls will quickly freeze onto roadways and everything else. So Saturday morning we could wake up and it could be quite the winter wonderland. I will warn, though, with these coastal systems, the models still kind of can teeter back and forth, even though we're only about a day and a half away. So these totals could shift a little bit depending on the storm track and the overall setup. But at least this is what the current guidance shows. So if there's any big changes, I'll update everyone tomorrow. Otherwise, stay safe and have a good Thursday.